Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a tea party set that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin with a 4x4 round plate for our table. I want to flip this over. I'm going to take a set of 1x3 rounded plates, place these right here. Then I'm going to flip this right side up. We're going to place a teapot right in between these four studs. And then I'm going to take some of these saucers, place these right here. We're going to use these as little plates. And what better way to have tea is with some chocolate chip cookies. So let's put those on there. And oh, we can't forget about the teacups. So we're going to take two little teacups, place these right here. You put them anywhere you choose with this project. Well, the table's sitting a little bit low, so I'm going to stick some of these unicorn horns right in these little holes here. It sounds weird, but it works. These are going to be our little legs for our table. Keep that right off the ground. And speaking of the ground, nobody wants to sit on the ground, so I'm going to take a 2x2 round flat tile and a parabola dish, place it on as shown. These are going to be our little stools for our tea table.